Hey guys, it's me. So I watch a lot of space videos on YouTube. Like I like Fraser Kane. He's probably my favorite, I guess. Scott Manley. I watch him quite often. Um, Anything with Elon and SpaceX. Like Great SpaceX, I watch him a lot. Marcus House, watch him. And I try to catch almost every SpaceX rocket launch I can. Not so much the Falcon 9s anymore, but the Starships. I make sure I always catch every one of the all the Starship launches. I think we're up to number 9 coming up here soon. So that, keep an eye out for that one. I don't even know if they really gave a exact date yet for that one, but it should be coming soon. I'm in Baltimore right now. It kind of looks like I'm in a prison, but I'm actually at a dairy inside in Baltimore, in the city, getting unloaded milk. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I watch a lot of space videos. So yeah, hold on. Yeah, so they have these things called citizen science projects. It's where like scientists or NASA, they send up a satellite or a probe or whatnot, and they get so much data that they get like terabytes of data, and it's so much that not just one person or even a group of people can just go through all this data. So what they do, they just download it all onto the internet, and then you as a citizen can go onto their sites or whatnot. Oh, I can't remember the one I go to. The one I do a lot is it's a search for Planet 9. I hope everybody knows what that is. It's where they're looking for the 9th, some people call it 10th, depending on how you look at Pluto. Planet out beyond the Kuiper Belt. They put up like these every group you get a set of three pictures from, and they got like stars and whatnot on it, and there's 3 sequential pictures, and your job is to go through and see that if you can find anything that may happen to be moving in those sets of 3. So you can change the speed to flip through them, whatnot, but basically you're looking for anything that moves. It's a little harder than it seems. I thought it was going to be easy at first, but it's pretty hard. But that's one of them. That's one, like I said, that's one I do. There's hundreds, if not thousands of them that you can look for, sign up for, and do. It's actually pretty cool. And like if you would happen to discover something, I think they try to get your name involved in it somehow. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So the whole reason I was making this, one of the other things I like to do is like, if everybody knows, on Mars, we've had 5 rovers go there, us as in the United States. We had, let me see if I can remember them here. Sojourner's Truth was the first, and then you had Spirit and Opportunity, and then, oh crap, now I can't think of, Perseverance was the last one, and sorry, my phone died. It's a brand new iPhone 16, and the freaking battery just does not last on this thing. I don't know what the problem with it is, but anyway, like I was saying, yeah, there's 5 rovers on Mars. Sojourner was the first one. That was like the little one. It was like the size of a remote control toy car truck, And then you had Spirit and Opportunity. And then now, still going on Mars is you got Curiosity still going, and Perseverance was the one just a few years ago that landed. But anyway, with they're kind of the same way, they take so many pictures, and NASA/JPL, they just download everything onto the internet, and you can go to their website, and you can just browse through all their pictures that they've ever taken, at least all the ones I know of. But anyway, my point is, so one day I was just I was going through, I don't know if it was Spirit or Opportunity. I was going through all their photo gallery, and I came across this one, and I don't know, it's pretty wild. It's just like it's a picture of just like a wide view of panorama, and you can see the Martian background in the distance, but then there's something like, I don't know, 15, 20 feet off the ground flying through the air. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's like anything that would be living. I don't know, but if you zoom in on it, it kind of looks like a duck, but a Martian duck maybe. But yeah, there's something flying through the air. But I have no idea what it would be. I guess it's possible that it would be a meteorite, but it doesn't look like a meteorite. It's not round, or it's not like just comes. It doesn't look like it's hot. I guess I don't know how possibly I would tell, but to me it just doesn't look like it's hot. And it's definitely not anything on the lens, because if it were something on the lens, one of the things would be out of focus. Like either the object that's flying through the air would be out of focus, or the yeah, either the object would be out of focus, or the Martian background would be out of focus, but neither are. So that tells me it's definitely not on a piece of dirt or anything on the lens. So, but yeah, like I said, if you zoom in on it, it almost looks like a duck. But anyway, I don't know. I've tried sending it to several people, like Scott Manley. I think I tried sending it to Fraser. I even sent it to NASA and JPL, just like I sent it all on Twitter, X, hoping I would get a response from something, but I never do. So I don't know. I'm running out of ideas where to send it. I wish somebody would answer and like maybe say what it is, or what it possibly could be. But I don't know. I thought it was pretty awesome. Just the fact that one of the things caught something in the air like that. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Oh, here comes a sharp turn. Hold on. I'm not sure what happened there. Somehow I managed to cut off the whole end of the video. But yeah, I guess that's all I really got. I guess if I ever find anything out, I'll make another video, let you guys know what I find out. If anybody ever happens to answer me or whatnot. It'd be nice if somebody would answer and, I don't know, at least find out what it is. Maybe get a little popularity out of her finding something cool. But I would think NASA would already know about it. I would imagine they checked all their pictures so far. But crap, I was supposed to stop somewhere and get a barbecue sauce for the wife. Might have to do that, I guess. I guess, yeah, if you guys want to please give me a like. Subscribe would be even cooler. I did manage to get off of 6. I'm up to 7 now. But anybody that gives a subscribe will get 1 year of good luck if you do. How about that? So please like and please subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one. See ya.